Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, in today's video, I will teach you how you can create a banner design on Canva. Banner design, you can design banner for different companies and different software houses, hospitals, schools. So there are endless opportunities. So I will teach you how you can create banner in Canva. So first of all, I am on Canva homepage. Here I write banner in the search template. If you don't know what Canva is and why we are using it, so go to my channel Iron Tech and go to the playlist Canva designing course. So in this playlist we cover all the things about Canva, and we will also upload new updates about Canva in this playlist. So go check out the playlist. So after that, we have different templates. So I select banner landscape. So as you can see, there are different templates, but I will select blank template. So it is loading. It's depend upon your internet speed, so bear with me. So there are different templates, and we can easily customize these template and use in our project. So suppose we are designing banner related to food. So it provides us different templates, and we just have to customize this template and we are good to go. So I think this one is good. Yeah, that's great. So first of all, uh, I would like to change something. So first of all, I would like to change these pictures. So I go to photos, and here I write food. So I like this one. So I paste it here. After that, this image. After that, this. And I search for desserts. Sorry, this is under sweets. So cookies, no. Brownies. So that's it. And I think this is not good. So that's good. So after that, I want to change the color in this and this. I want to change the name of, like, Adam Deserts, and I also change the website name adamdeserts.com. Here I give 70% discount, and you can also change like best brownies and desserts in the town. So that's it, our banner is ready. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family. More videos are coming, so stay tuned. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.